Rewrite the system into standard form. Okay, what are we looking for when we look for a standard form expression for a system of linear equations? Well, we want all our variables lined up with their coefficients on the left-hand side, and then single constants on the right-hand side of the equal sign. Now, just taking a quick look at this, I see x1s, x2s, x3s, and x4s, but I don't see any more. I don't see x5s or anything like that. And so one thing we can do is we can mentally prepare and say, all right, the x1s will go in this column. The x2s will go over here. The x3s will go down here. The x4s will be here. Then the constants will be on the other side of the equal sign. Okay? Now, if we take a look at that first expression, it's already got x2, x3, and x4 lined up. They're on the right side. And a nice single constant of 13 here. So we're doing great. But when we move to the next equation, there's an x1, but it's already sort of lined up with an x2, so we'll need to move that over. x3 is looking good. There's a nice constant of pi. There's an x4 on the wrong side, so we're going to have to bring that over, turn it into a minus 30x4. And then we just properly space things out, leaving appropriate gaps here, because there are no x1s in the first expression and no x2s in the second expression. All right. Now, what else have we got? Well, we've got third equation here, 7 squared, which is just 49. We should know our small squares. It's a nice constant. There's also another constant of 3. The 7 squared is on the wrong side, so I'm going to change that to a 49 and bring it over to the other side. Get a minus 52 in total. And x1 is on the wrong side, so we should bring it over as a minus x1. And then negative 49, which is what you get when you square 7 and bring it over to the other side. You get negative 49. Minus 3, negative 52. Okay? I should point out that you could also technically just drop the minus signs, and that'll still be representing the same expression. Okay, but I find most people tend not to do that, so we'll just stick with the usual response of just rearranging things and not trying to re-express things. And the last expression, we've got x2s and x3s and x4s. They're in the wrong order. x2 is even on the wrong side, so we'll bring it over, minus x2, put x3 and its coefficient in the proper spot. And then I can't really simplify cosine 3 over 14, so we're not going to try. But we'll just leave it there. Okay. And it's all equal to 0 because we don't have any constants. There are 0 constants. But there we go. Everything's nice and neat and ordered. This is in standard form.